Hey, it's Chris with Electrifying Chris, and I just released a video not even 24 hours ago on the Peloton bike software. So it's like a 15-minute in-depth overview of the software, and surprise, surprise, software update. But that's a pretty awesome thing though, because we obviously want new features when it comes to our Peloton bikes. So in this video, I'm going to talk about just those changes that have happened, the new features that have been added. So let's go ahead and take a look. They have now added programs. So programs here are a collection of rides, and they're basically training programs. That was what I mentioned in the software overview. Really, it was the metrics rides. There was only certain types of programs that you could do. And they were really more for the hardcore Peloton rider, in my opinion. But here we have different types of training. So if you want to do Tabata here with Robin, here's a training program. It is a 4-week program of her rides. And they go, week 1 has 4 rides, week 2, and they're 4 rides a week here, and they're different lengths, as short as 15 minutes for one day on a Monday, to as long as 45 minutes on your 4th day. And so that's just an example of one right there. I'll go ahead and go back and we'll look. There's welcome to the leaderboard. There's the climb, so a lot of climb rides, which is what I like. That is only a 2-week program. And you can see here we've got 15-minute rides, 20, 30, and 45. And they even offer some floor stuff here. So here we got Emma, who's I like to ride with, and she is doing some ab workouts there for the core. So we'll go back and we'll just look at them, a few more of them. These are the programs, and we'll look at some of the collections, and then I'll wrap up this video. So we have the special events. Those are the ones I mentioned in the other video. Now they have them all in a nice, easy place. So if you want to get those badges, there's the All for One ride I mentioned in the previous video. The Olympic rides here, if you do those. There's some other ones. I haven't done these, so I'm going to go definitely pretty excited about this because I'm going to check those out. And if we back up here, Ride of Shame, those are basically Saturday rides, like you're out all night, Friday. So you can kind of read into that if you want. Pick Me Up rides are the ones that I mentioned before, which are just ones that are easy. They're 30 minutes. They just make you feel good. They're not the type of rides that try to exhaust you. They try to give you energy, kind of like I have right now in this video. We got Sing Along, Feel Good, Fresh Fridays, Crank It Up, and then some club bangers here. So something really for everyone, and that's in your collections down here. So as you scroll down, you can see that. So the top, we got training programs. Right now there's 3. Rad Tabata with Robin, Welcome to the Leaderboard, and the Climb. And we go down to collections here, and those are previous rides, and they're putting them in the collection there and putting like rides together. So that is the main change to the software here for the fall of 2018 here in October. So that's really just the big change, which is those new programs. So since I've got the bike, I've had it almost a year, which I'm about to have my 1-year video coming up here where I talk about the experiences of the last year. But when it comes to the software, there have been a lot of changes when it comes to the programs and the way it's organized, and even the features and type of rides and stuff like that that they've added. So that's a good thing. That I'm pretty excited about that there's these new collections to be able to do. So just stay tuned, and I will keep doing updates and discussions and talks and keep adding the Peloton to my channel.